Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by exporting from Aseprite. Choose a Sprite Sheet PNG and matching JSON data. Make sure your frames are aligned and trimmed consistently so Unity reads offsets correctly. Once done, confirm the PNG uses premultiplied alpha or straight alpha according to your workflow, and give both files a simple matching name. Moving now, place these files into your Unity project assets folder. You'll see Unity import them automatically, which prepares us for the next configuration step. You open the PNG in Unity and change texture type to Sprite 2D and UI and Sprite mode to multiple. Make sure pixels per unit matches your game scale and set filter mode to point if you want crisp pixels. Once applied, click Sprite Editor, choose Slice, and import the Aseprite JSON metadata so frames align exactly. After slicing, you can preview frames and rename slices. This step links Aseprite timing and regions to Unity sprites for accurate animation construction. You drag the sliced sprites into the animation window to build a clip, arranging frames in order and setting the sample rate to match your Aseprite FPS. Once you save the clip, Unity automatically creates an animator controller. Assign it to your game object. Play the scene to verify motion and pixel alignment. If frames shift or look blurry, double-check pivot points, pixels per unit, and import settings. Troubleshooting tip: re-export JSON-synced slices from Aseprite and reslice in Unity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.